Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Pfizer Inc. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Pfizer Inc. website. Look for the Contact Us section, usually found at the bottom of the homepage. Click on the Contact Us link to access various communication options. If you have inquiries related to customer service, locate the relevant department listed. You may find phone numbers or email addresses specifically for customer support. For investor relations, navigate to the Investors section of the website. Here, you can find resources and contact information for financial inquiries. If you're a healthcare professional, check the Medical Information area for dedicated contact options. Consider utilizing the live chat feature if available for instant communication. You might also explore social media platforms where Pfizer is active, such as Twitter and LinkedIn. Search for official Pfizer accounts to connect with their latest updates and announcements. For specific partnerships or collaborations, look for a dedicated section for business inquiries. Prepare your questions or comments in advance for effective communication. When reaching out, be clear and concise in your message. Keep a record of your correspondence for future reference. If you're interested in employment opportunities, visit the Careers section on the website. Here you can submit applications and inquire more about job openings. After submitting your inquiry, patiently wait for a response. Follow up if necessary, but allow adequate time for them to reply. By following these steps, you can ensure a successful connection with Pfizer Inc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.